Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can deactivate your Snapchat account temporarily. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, open Snapchat. Now once you open Snapchat, click on the profile picture looking icon at the top left corner of screen, right beside the search icon, and then click on where it says setting at the top right corner. Now once on settings, scroll a bit down until you see where it says I need help, which is going to be under support. Click on I need help. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down, click on manage my account and choose where it says delete or reactivate my account. Click on it, and over here where it says how do I delete my Snapchat account, so you want to click on that. And over here scroll a bit down and you can see where it says account portal, which is on blue. Click on it. Over here enter the password of your account and click on continue. Once you do that, your Snapchat will be deactivated. It says delete account, but don't worry, it says your account will be deactivated, which means your friends won't be able to contact you, which means for 30 days my account will be deactivated temporarily. But remember, you need to re-log in into your Snapchat account before the 30 days period ends, otherwise your account is going to be permanently deleted. So you have 30 days of temporary deactivation. So after 30 days, make sure you log in into your account within those 30 days, and again you can deactivate your account again, and there's going to be another 30 day added. All right, so make sure to just log in into your account before 30 days to reactivate it. So that's how we guys can deactivate your Snapchat account temporarily. Don't forget to hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. Bye bye.